Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be discussing how you all could cop the Air Jordan 3 Cardinal Red, where this shoe will be dropping, so basically all the places for it, the sneakers release for the date and time on that, and of course a couple other details, about copping off the sneakers app, copping off the foot side, stuff like that. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'm just making sure my camera is straight and all that, which it looks like it's fine, so hopefully it will be level and straight for this video. And we got everything on the screen right here. If you want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, feel free. Those are all in the description, and of course feel free to subscribe and like down below. That's always something that you guys can do if you haven't already. If you've been here watching the videos, hey, maybe consider it. We'd appreciate it. Of course, road to 100k, but first we gotta hit 60k, so I appreciate that. We're gonna keep on uploading consistently, giving y'all videos that can really help you all out. So like goals, I think we should just go for like 250 likes, something very simple in this video, typical goal. And let's get started. So first things first about this release, when you go look at it on the Snkrs app or on the website right there, you can see that $200 retail, and it is also dropping on the 19th this month, February, at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So there you all can see the basic details about it dropping, typical time, you got the date down, and then the retail. I'm pretty sure the normal retail for 3's, it was either 190 or 200 before, but I'm pretty sure it's been 200 for a while now. A couple details I want to mention about the Cardinal Reds. One thing I really wish they changed, which I agree with a lot of people on. Of course, I'll quickly mention this. Don't forget they're dropping this in grade school sizes as well. Preschool sizes, toddler sizes, so plenty of sizes for this one for you to cop in if you're just trying to buy it for someone else. But again, I gotta mention this, the yellow Jumpman and also the yellow dots here, I think that just throws off the shoe a little bit. I really wish that they kept this red. I feel like that would have made the shoe a lot better, give it more of like a racer blue type vibe, where it was only 2 colors and not like 3 on the shoe, which I don't think it's a bad thing that they have, a bunch of colors on the shoe here. It just, the yellow really does throw it off. Like there's a bunch of people calling these the Ronald McDonald 3's. When you hear that doesn't necessarily help the credibility of your sneaker right there. But again, the yellow in the sneaker could be because, again, this is based off the Jordan 7 Cardinal colorway from way back, so maybe that Jordan 7 colorway had that kind of yellow colorway on it. I mean, they're calling it a light curry colorway, but I'm really seeing yellow when I look at it, and when I even check images right here, I mean, that's looking pretty yellow to me, but I'll go with what Nike's saying at least. Maybe it's like a yellow gold type colorway, but that's what I'm seeing more or less. But don't forget, mostly the important thing to cop in this release is entering. It's probably going to be one of those releases. Yeah, so when I check it on the Snkrs app, I was just double checking something. It says it's available at available 2/19, 10 a.m. Eastern time. So it doesn't look like it says draw opens at, which means it's going to be one of those releases where you're going to have 1 to 2 minutes or 1 to 3 minutes to enter. So be there right at 10 and enter on this release. Again, target bigger sizes. That'll be what will benefit you the most. If you're someone that is just trying to resell this release, hold on to it, whatever you want to do, I understand that. Again, I understand that the yellow in the sneaker is based off that Jordan 7 model in the past, hence why it's there. But I really think they should have kept that red. Just honest opinion. Was just checking something really quick there. But again, when you actually look at the sneaker, it's very clean. I like the colorway for it. The box actually looks fairly nice too. I mean, you don't really focus on the box of a sneaker when you're really looking at it, I guess, or going for it. I mean, maybe you do a bit, but again, this looks really clean. From a side profile, I would rock these. I mean, it's a nice pair of 3's. Overall, it just, that yellow Jumpman throws me off a bit. So looking at the resale on the shoe a little bit right now, I'm actually going to refresh this because the prices were just so inflated yesterday. So I want to see if these have actually held overnight, and let's see kind of how the sales have done on this one when I go look at all sizes. So you can see like some sizes, some people consistently bidding over $300 on this shoe. So you can see this 3 is in demand. People really want this one. I think it's 220 sales at above $260. That's not bad at all. And you guys can see what the current prices are on these right now at like $300 to $350. So my estimation on the shoe, honestly, once all the pairs drop, because we have a lot of places in store and online releasing the shoe along with a fair amount of raffles and also a Snkrs release, when I'm pretty sure we'll have a healthy amount of stock. So understanding that, my personal estimation, I honestly have to put this one at a range of around $230 to $300, and I will put a plus in the 300 because I think some of those bigger sizes could again stay at maybe like 270, 280. Maybe some could stay above 300. I think it's possible just because we already have 200 sales above such a nice price line already. So if people are willing to hold the price, then this one will stay in a very nice price range. And if people aren't willing to hold the price, like I feel like most 3's perform, this one will be a decent hold over time. I mean, maybe a longer term hold if you're able to get a bunch of pairs, because I don't think pairs will be too hard to find on the release day, just because of the fact that this is going to be, you know, a big stock release. So I'm shocked to see that these are at the prices that it's at right now, but if they stay high at, you know, a $300 price even after the release, that just shows you how inflated prices are in the sneaker game right now. Or maybe 3's are getting more hyped. But a couple other things I want to mention about copping this release. I always bring these videos down in the description, so if you want to check these two videos out down below, this one shows you how to make multiple accounts in sneakers, and then this one is just like a tips and tricks video if you want to learn a couple things that can maybe help you out with copping more often. Again, they'll both be down below, and this one is just, this is probably the more important one. Just making multiple accounts in sneakers is essential. It's, you know, going to be the difference to whether you cop more often or not. My actual only pair, or not my only pair, but one of my major pairs that I copped off an alternate account that I had made was a pair of Travis Scott Fragment Lows, along with a pair of you know, Strawberry Coughs off exclusive access. So those are a couple sneakers that I've copped just off making multiple accounts. So I really recommend it. So if you guys haven't done that, I would definitely get to doing that ASAP. So check these videos out; they'll be down below. And I want to give a shout out to, as always, to my guys right here at Secret Sauce. If you've been here, then you know what's up. I have a lot of people always commenting, you know, like Secret Sauce Gang, like y'all been here before, then you guys may know who they are. And the basis of what they do is they help people cop items. Like, they give people information, and it's not just sneakers. Like, they can help you cop PS5s. Of course, not just a foot site release like this one. It could be a different sneaker release. Of course, they've gotten into the NFT space recently. They've done some backdoors, a couple other things like that. So they've gotten into a bigger space where, you know, they've started to expand, offer more services, and I really do think that's an important thing that they offer, and I think it's a great service. So how they would actually help you cop an item like this, the Jordan 3 Cardinal Red. So of course they could give you advice to cop in the item in store. If you're ever confused about anything in the group, you can open a help ticket, and then they can actually give you assistance on a certain release, or give you assistance on setting up a bot, learning botting, whatever it may be. Their mods are very, very helpful to helping you with information, whether it's an in-store release or something else. Most of the time they're able to provide information just in their important info section and stuff like that is able to help you out with copying, you know, items and things around that line. So if you're interested in copying more items, sneaker releases, whatever it may be, you know, PS5s, of course they can help actually run tickets for you and cop items for you, you know, off target releases, whether it's a graphics card or PS5. They have people that do that. It's a very simple system. You can learn about it when you're in their group, and they have this little wait list up here right now if I'm correct. So if you guys want to go check them out, get there, then feel free, just click that link on their Twitter or go to their Instagrams, sign up on their wait list in the description, and that's all you guys really got to do for now. So I appreciate you guys, and you know, they've really helped me out, so I'm gonna keep using them. I got a couple items I'm going to show you actually coming soon from them that I've just copped with their info manually by myself. So it's not like they sent me them. I actually copped them with their info. So I'll show you that they're actually useful with a couple other things in a day or two. So hopefully that'll be coming in. So right here, of course, the Jordan 3 Cardinal Red. There's some raffles, not many. So this is a lot different than I thought it would be. Of course, there's plenty of US places releasing this one. You can see that's a fair amount of places dropping this one. It's not necessarily like the shoe is hidden from Raffles, and it looks like there's a couple other ones right here, but when I go in Raffles sneakers, it looks like there's only one for the meantime. Maybe these have all ended for right now, or they've all passed by, which could very much be the case, but plenty of foot sites releasing this one. That's just why I think this one's going to drop in price so much. So I'll link these two articles down below. Hopefully they will update it with some more raffles sooner or later, and hopefully they all haven't passed. If they have, then I should have made this video a little earlier. I at least thought I was on time for this video, you know? Not too far, not too soon. Enough said though. We'll just head into the outro. If you guys want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, feel free. Those are down below. If you want to subscribe and like, again, the like goal, 250 likes, so if we could hit that, that'd be dope. If not, it's really not the end of the world. I'm not gonna, you know, like cry about it or anything. You know, I got an accounting test to focus on, and beautiful. That's probably a delivery truck though. Good. But yeah, that's everything that I really need to mention. So I'm gonna end the screen recording. I love you guys. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my future ventures. Stuff is really working out. I think we're gonna be very set by the end of this year. Our content's gonna be part 1. Very nice. I'll see you on the next one though. Peace.
Wrist, I'm on. Kinda like yeah. We can keep it together, cause you know that it's the right thing, we all know. We can make this shit together, I swear, any type of weather, it's all alone.